Hey friends, let's walk with Rajeshi once again, and today we are walking to the area of the Patuli. This area is full of greenery, the fresh air, the lakeside, the water, full of restaurants and very happening. And the best place of this is like you can hang out. And this video I am dedicating to my cutest neighbor Piku. Hi friends, welcome you all to Walk with Rajeshi once again, and today I am at Patuli area, and today I am walking for the little evening stroll or a morning walk stroll, and this is a very nice and neat and clean area. You can have a look and you can just walk with me and just explore a little bit of this area, have the evening out with your friends and family, and you may feel refreshed. So let's walk together. So friends, if you're coming from the Ruby or the bypass area, just cross the Highland Park Big Bazaar and there is a bridge, and just drive or go there straight. You can find this jheel area or the sitting area on the right side of you. It's just off the four corner of the Patuli area, Patuli joint. And one side you can see the Patuli Bazaar, the floating market, and this is really amazing. So you just cross the road and start walking. It's having a amazing view, and the the airs, the freshness, and you have a lot of sitting area. So in the evening time, if you're walking and if you're just want to just come out of the house, like break the monotony, why don't you come over here and sit for a while, just relax and enjoy the freshness of the air, see the greenery, and lot of places are there to take the photos as well. I personally like to take a walk out there. Even you can come from the Gorihat area, the Goria area, the Kamalgachi area. It's like the four, it's just the joint of the Patuli More, and it's joining from the bypass area, the Goria area, and lot of other areas also. So it's really easy to access, and the beautification of the area is just A1, and you will love seeing this area. So as I said before, lot of place to take photos, and I take a lot of time to have a walk and just go out with my friends. And if you're thirsty and if you want to eat, there are in the evening time there are a lot of things are walking by. You can have some juice, some fuchkas, some snacks and all. Also there are a park area for the kids to play, so kids can go there and play as well, while parents are just observing them and enjoy a little refreshment of the air. So I like this area. Just have a look and walk with me. This Devi Durga image is like wonderful. Lot of people I saw in the evening time standing out there. Even like it's just a 5 days of the Durga Puja we celebrate in Kolkata, but seeing the image you can feel the puja mode. Cha or Nochiketa. There is one stall out there. It's always been overcrowded, and a lot of tea and the snacks you can find it here. This is very popular in this area. Also there is a water ATM. You are very thirsty, you can have a water. There are a lot of place of the snacks. You can have this place. You can just walk and get to the residential area. So start walking on there, and let's find some restaurant as well, because if you're coming in the evening, just little time pass on the area and then walk by to eat something, why not? Let's explore the restaurant as well. So friends, we are walking towards exploring the restaurants. Before that, I want to tell you the nightlife and night time. Some of the photos I'm just incorporating here. You just have a look. The night views of this area is amazing as well. Christmas time they decorate the area and it looks wonderful. Now coming to the restaurant, there are wonderful few restaurants out there. GNC's, Himur Heschel's, you can get a Bengali food out there. The Casa del Amor, you can get Little Continental, Greenland China restaurant just opposite side of the park we are talking about. You can have a car or take a rickshaw and go there. Apart from that, you have a lot of things. Eon, Chow Man, Red Bamboo Shoots, and lot many. I'm not taking the name, you can explore. And also if you just want to have a ice cream and the cakes, there are a lot many options out there, and all of our favorite fuchkas obviously are there. So guys, this is a must visit place. You should come and have a little time out in the evening. So let's explore more.